Hey everybody and welcome to Stock Abilities. In this quick TradeUI tutorial, I'm going to cover option flow leaders. And what exactly does this mean? That generally, there's unusual options activity, volume over open interest, kind of indicates that you're opening a new position, and how this can benefit you is pretty straightforward. You see a lot of conviction on a shorter term expiration, you can follow that sweep, and bam, you could be in pretty quick profit following that sweep, following that expiration and following a general rough technical setup there. Some quick examples here is COF, TDoc, Chewy Riot, and Twitter. I cover this more extensively in another video, so make sure to check that out. As you can see here, all of them went up with those call sweeps, and they all came in quite near the bottom of each one of these charts. Made it pretty easy to scalp and pretty self-explanatory, being that there's Friday call sweeps coming in with a same-day expiration, and they already hit a pretty big bottom, and they're coming in at that bottom, making all these charts pretty easy to scalp just following that simple concept. Thanks for listening in, guys. Make sure to check out the more extensive video if you want to learn more about this. Check out the links in the description below to try out the tool for yourself. Thanks. Have a nice day, guys.